We'll guide you through how to prototype website in Adobe XD. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Locate the search bar on your computer and type Adobe XD to find the application installed on your system. Click Adobe XD from the search results to open the application. Wait until the Adobe XD home screen appears fully so all options are visible. Click New File on the home screen to start a fresh design project for your interface. Choose a desktop artboard size so the design matches common desktop screen dimensions and layouts. Rename the first artboard as Home using the Layers or Properties panel to keep your project organized. Design your homepage layout simply by arranging elements neatly and avoiding unnecessary clutter at the start. Add buttons, images, or text as needed to communicate the main purpose of the page clearly. Create a second artboard for another page by adding a new artboard beside the first one. Rename it as About or Product so the page function is easy to recognize. Design the second page layout in a consistent style so it visually matches the home page. Make sure buttons are clearly visible by using readable text sizes in enough contrast. Click the Prototype tab at the top to begin setting up interactions between pages. Select a button on the home artboard that will navigate to the next page. Drag the blue arrow from that button to the second artboard to create a link. Set Trigger to Tap to define how the interaction starts. Set Action to Transition to enable animated movement between pages. Choose Ease Out for smoother movement so the transition feels natural. Adjust the transition duration if needed to control the speed of the animation. Add a back button on the second page so users can return easily. Select the back button and drag the blue arrow back to the home artboard. Use the same transition settings to keep interactions consistent. Repeat linking for other buttons if needed to complete navigation. Click the Desktop Preview button to open the preview window.